And tell me about your business and where you're located.
I'm located in Brookfield, Missouri. I'm a one-man shop, basically wearing all the hats, and my wife occasionally helps me in the front office.
All right, so I understand you're a Shop-Ware user, and tell me, when did you start using that product?
About 4 years ago, I came to this show, vision show, and I was shopping for a POS system. And I went around and visited each and every one of the vendors that was selling a POS system. And finally I came to ShopWare. Carolyn showed me the system. And first, when I first saw it on the screen, I knew this is what I wanted. It wasn't all cluttered. It was very clean looking. I knew this is what I was looking for. When she was done with the presentation, she did the one thing that none of the other salespeople did. She asked the sale. It's very important. The rest of them were just showing me a product. Carolyn was selling a product.
She was ready to close the deal. Yeah, good. Well, so when you first saw it, the main thing was that it wasn't cluttered, but did it just make a lot of sense to you as you looked at it?
It flowed very, very well. It was easy to use. And what's more important is that this is something the customer is going to see. And it needs to be simplified. It shouldn't look like a business report. It should look like a simple receipt without a lot of clutter.
So after you started using the product, and so you've been on it for 4 years, which is quite a long time, what's the biggest impact that you saw happen as a result of switching to this new shop management system?
The biggest impact is how easy I could make the sale. I could text or email the estimate to my customer. They get to see it right now where they are without any phone calls interrupting them, whether they're in a meeting or wherever they are at work or at home. I can always send them pictures of anything I find that needs attention or needs to be replaced. Within maybe 5-10 minutes, the customer responds, approves the estimate, and I'm calling in the parts and I'm moving on quicker instead of waiting around for an hour or so.
Yeah, so the pictures and everything are just included in your notes, right? So you can put that right in there, and then you can share it with the customer. And the customer's experiences, from what we've found, is just been remarkable, right? So now we're educating the customer on what the process is, right? The process is sometimes very complex, and sometimes they don't understand how that is. But this helps us articulate that as well.
Yes, it does.
Hey, well, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate you sharing your information.
Thank you.